I've arrived at a location where I would like to work. In the previous movie I showed you how to install your profile for using your driver table, and now we're going to use it. So the first thing I do is of course release the seat belt, and then look if the cup holders are all free. And while I get out of the car, I select the profile that we just made, so that the car readies itself for you to start working when you get back with the driver table. In my case, my driver table is in the trunk, so I'll go and get it. The car is readied itself, and then I am very fast and ready to start working. So everything is in perfect situation. Now get my laptop, I can open it up, get my mouse which I have lying around here, and I'm set to go.